Again, yeah, packing peanuts. We got merch. Whole is that? Yeah. No. Yeah, it's been chilling in the back of the UPS truck for half a day. Alright, so I'm gonna get guys. Yeah, there we go. I had him send me the polish tank. You get a shirt, you get a shirt, hey you get a shirt, you know? So, awesome.
Do I?
No, I don't know. We finally have the car in here. This is Dylan from ThrottleWorks. I'll put your Instagram. All right, so what's the first step that we're doing?
So the first step is removing everything out of the trunk, as we're gonna start kind of placing the tank, compressor, and get an idea of where we want to mount things and see what kind of line situation we have as far as routing, all that kind of stuff. That's gonna be the most important thing, is making sure that your lines are routed in a good clean fashion behind everything, and that way they're still serviceable.
Hopefully it will be from today, or it will take today and tomorrow, and then tomorrow we'll have the first air out. So stay tuned. Nice premium bag.
Front and rear struts are installed. Tanks mounted, compressors mounted, manifolds mounted. So
pretty much all tomorrow we need to do is just running lines, correct?
yeah, run lines, do wiring, and after that we should be able to put the trunk back in, put the back seat back in, and ride dirty.
Well, we'll update you guys tomorrow. This is the end of day one, and then we've got tomorrow, day two, ThrottleWorks. Have power, it's alive, and now we'll do the reveal. So excited. Oh, Dylan, I need light. Someone grab my phone light real quick. Whoa. Alright, about to air out. You're good. So good. This is the man himself. We'll put a light on. He's the one who did it. How did the process go?
It's not necessarily difficult, because really anybody can do it at home with basic hand tools and a drill, and a little bit of knowledge, especially electrical knowledge. Their instructions are pretty straightforward. Otherwise, it's just time. This kit in particular was about 12-13 hours. Others have been up to 20-25 hours. You know, it really depends on where you want to mount everything, how we have to mount it, depending on the car, all that good stuff.
if you're in the Boise location, come to ThrottleWorks, just because, not just because they did my kit, just because Dylan is the greatest person ever. They do really quality work, great work here, best in Boise, so.
Why you tripping, get your Mariah? Shawty look good in the moonlight. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping, get your Mariah? Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping, get your Mariah? Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping, get your Mariah?